Hi, my name is Tiffany. Thank you so much for joining my channel, Autonomy Heals. Today we are making deep fried chicken. Thank you so much for joining this channel, and let's get started.
I hear them hating, but that's only cause they inconsistent. He said the weapon wouldn't prosper, now they wouldn't form. I'm by the golf, I hit the middle and it's good and warm. I got the $1 million motors, I've been getting to it. I got this that boost your ego when you listen to it. I know they waiting on the fall, but I doubt that. Cause I've been buying Bitcoin on the bounce bag. Might need a minute in the morning, I've been working late. You see me living in my purpose, I don't perpetrate. I'm certified, certain mattress off the Yerba mate. She in a green velvet, bout to make it percolate. And I just hope they play me never and they play this forever. Put my family on so we can make it together. Gave my life to God and now he making it better. But just in case they plotting on it, got a brand new Beretta. I'm tryna shake something, move something that's an earthquake. Coming in every 30 minutes like a work break. Shake something, move something that's an earthquake. Coming in every 30 minutes like a work break. I'm tryna shake something, move something that's an earthquake. Coming in every 30 minutes like a work break. I'm tryna shake something, move something that's an earthquake. Coming in every 30 minutes like a... Hold up, slow down, baby, don't you see me? I'm flicking. My in-person better than the TV depiction. Know them devils plotting, wanna see me in prison. But just know all my brothers riding, there won't be no division. I'm making money, making magic, baby, come congratulate me. Acting aggy, starting to agitate me like he glad to play me. Even moments when I ain't mashing, I be acting gravy. I be stunning, stepping in my pennies like the magic play me. And I hope they play me never and they play this forever. Put my family on so we can make it together. Gave my life to God and now he making it better. But just in case they plotting on it, got a brand new Beretta. I'm feeling fresh about the freezer, baby, cool as a can. Give up my feelings, trying to purchase some land. I know why they bitter, yes I do understand. I'm doing everything I wanna, they just do what they can. I'm trying to shake something, move something that's an earthquake. Coming in every 30 minutes like a work break. Shake something, move something that's an earthquake. Coming in every 30 minutes like a work break. I'm tryna shake something, move something that's an earthquake. Coming in every 30 minutes like a work break. I'm tryna shake something, move something that's an earthquake. Coming in every 30 minutes like a... Just like this. Make it big, make it small, whatever you prefer. Just like that. Okay? Just cut them like that. They don't have to be too small in case you want them like really little, then you can do that.
will also help wash out any starch, because if you have too much starch on your potatoes, they won't cook well. They'll be very oily and soggy. So make sure you wash your potatoes off really well to get the starch out. Okay guys, now we're going to go in and we're going to check on our chicken to see how it's doing. It should be really crispy and nice golden brown. I'll show you that. Okay, it should be getting to something like this. Real brown, real golden, real crispy and juicy. So we're going to place that back in and we're going to let that chicken finish. Okay, now we're going to get started on our homemade french fries. They have been soaking here in an ice bath. So now it is time to dry the fries off and get them ready to be fried. So you want to rinse all of the starch out. All of the starch out of the potato. We have this ice right here, and we're going to rinse our potatoes off. Just like that. They're nice and cold, and they're going to be ready to go into the grease. Okay. So now the thing about making these type of potatoes and type of french fries is that you want to make sure that you get all the water out of these potatoes here. So you just place it down like that, place it down just like this, and it's going to take a little time, but it's going to be worth it, because if you have a lot of water left on these, they will not fry properly, and your french fries will not, it will be good. See all that water, all that liquid? You want to get all of that off. So dry these off really, 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 really good. Okay? And we'll be right back. So what we want to do here is dry these off really well. You see that? I'm getting all the liquid off of the potatoes. They look beautiful, clean, all the starch is removed. Let's check on our chicken. Let me see how that's doing. Really nice golden brown. They are starting to float. So that means the chicken is almost done. Alright, now we are going to get ready to put our fries into the oil. They are nice and cold and ready to be seasoned and go into the deep fryer. So, grab a glove here and put this on. Now, first we're going to season the fries. You don't have to season a lot, but you do want to season. These are cold fries. Once you cut the fries and clean them, I would recommend that you place them into the freezer for about maybe 10 to 15 minutes. If you can leave them in there like an hour or two, that's better, but 10 to 15 minutes will do the trick, okay? Because we don't want them soggy. We want them kind of hard. So we're going to season the fries. This is garlic powder. My favorite, lemon pepper. I think that's everybody's favorite, right? Lemon pepper. Okay. And we are going to put some Tonys on there. Okay. Tonys. Season to taste. Season to taste. And then we'll go like this. And what I do is put these potatoes or french fries in the bag. In these bags, just like this. Okay? Because now, and kind of do it like that. Just like this. It's more delicious. Again, these are gold potatoes, okay? I like gold potatoes. I like russet potatoes as well, but today I'm using these. Then we're going to take our flour, and we're just going to put some flour on these potatoes. So they can have that nice crunch. Also, by putting the flour on the potatoes, it's also soaking up the moisture. So any moisture, any liquid or anything like that that's on the potatoes, you can get them off. They actually smell really good. I'm going to go back in with just a little bit of seasoning because I want mine to have a little flavor too. But not too much. Not too much. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and just drop a few. Drop a few. If you have to turn your heat up, go ahead. This is the time to turn your heat up. You want to make sure you just take your time. Try to put the potatoes in one at a time. Don't put too many at one time because then it'll get soggy and it'll be a mess. You want them to fry evenly. You want them to be nice and crispy. So just take your time. If you're afraid to use your hand, you can use a utensil to place these in. And yeah. There you're going. These are fries. So this is the time to turn your heat up. And then watch them go. Don't put too many in at one time because they can get sticky and they will not be good. So you're going to have to watch these, okay, guys? Okay, we are finally done. These are the fries, fresh out the grease. I did sprinkle a little bit of parsley flakes on there to give it some flavor and color. This Kinder's wing sauce dip, bourbon peach barbecue sauce. I've never tried it, but everyone's telling me that it's really good, so I'm gonna try it. I have tried the barbecue sauce gold, and it's really good. My family loves it, so we're gonna try the peach one today. Okay. Alright, I'm about to try it and see how it tastes. Let's see. Okay. This is pretty good. I like the peach flavor. It's not too peachy. I thought it was going to be really peachy, but it's not. So if I was you guys, I'd go out and buy it and try it. Also try the gold. This is my favorite, but the peach is good as well. They also have a lot of other flavors that I'm going to be trying. So just get the small pack if you can, just to try it out. But I will be buying the large. So thank you so much for joining my channel, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Bye bye. Autonomy Heals.
And I just hope they play me never and they play this forever. Put my family on so we can make it together. Gave my life to God and now he making it better. But just in case they plotting on it, got a brand new Beretta.